To runway 23 right, information Papa, cancel Coppola, altitude return, descent maintain 98,000, Taipei Taoyuan 1002.
Descent 9,000, going 1002, runway 23 right, southbound 3023.
Cancel 421, climb tower 118.7.
187, Cathay 421, good day.
Radar contact, climb maintain 8,000, QH 1002.
Climb maintain 8,000, QH 1002, weather 371.
Taipei approach, good morning, 579 号龙 information tango.
57026 Taipei approach, roger. Shanghai Air 51 turn right heading 060, descent maintain 2,500 until southeast on localizer, clear runway 10 approach.
Descent 2,500, confirm the heading and we are cleared the IS runway 10.
Shanghai Air 51 turn right heading 070 until southeast.
Taipei approach 125.6.
Watching. Approach, good morning, market 160,000.
Please maintain present speed until 5 knots to Taishan.
Present speed until 5 knots to Taishan for the exit.
Shanghai Air 51 Taishan 11.1.
45 is heading 240 to weather.
Clear 465 heading 240 approved.
Heading 240, Cathay 465. Continue present heading vector final approach 4, then I maintain 4,000, good 890.
Roger.
Descending flight level 140.
Chennai descent 2049, Taipei approach runway 23 right, resume normal speed. Cancel Coppola, altitude reduction, descent maintain 98,000, Taipei Taoyuan 1002.
Descent 9,000, KH 1002, cancel Coppola, restriction, runway news 23 right, Chennai descent 2049. Audio restriction.
3023, descent maintain 6,000.
Descent maintain 6,000, southbound 3023.
Southbound 3023, contact Taipei approach 125.6.
125.6, southbound 3023, descent 6,000. Descent maintain 5,000, southbound 3023.
Runway 23.11, 1,000, no delay for traffic.
Set 565 Delta Heavy Taipei approach radar contact maintain flight level 180.
Maintain flight level 180, Cathay 565 Delta. Continue heading 090, Eva. Reduce 180 knots. Restriction 1097, unit 1002.
Delta stop climb 1,000.
Stop climb 10,000, Cathay 565 Delta.
Contact Taipei Control 126.7.
126.7, Cathay 465.
Right now, one only negative, that's one. So that is the correction. First time. Establish Alice 22 right.
35167, roger, climb tower 180.7.
Tower 176, by 167.
18716 contact Taipei Control 125 decimal 5. Taipei approach 121 decimal 0.
Contact Taipei 11.0, clear 90 to 85 today.
Okay.
US band, Chasar 3023.
Scoot 92, turn right heading 120.
Right heading 120, Scoot 892.
Smart K 231, straight vector cross final for spacing.
31. 24, maintaining 190.
Square 124, Taipei approach runway 23 right, information Papa, reduce speed to 250 knots, then descend maintain flight level 150.
Okay, descend maintain 150 to 80 knots, cruise at 124, running 23 right. 4049. Maintain 2000 until capture about the localizer, Taipei Island 23 right for Scoot 892. 下电5班送掉。
刚才谈说西风幺洞跑道的风是260洞的幺洞里，正大有到15里，请问意向？
我们西安洞要到普拉地下。
并有88洞的高中。
So far, it's not taking China Express 4097.
Okay.
Good morning, 74097. Indian Level 140, information officer.
Phantom 4097, Taipei approach, roger. Phantom 4097, runway 23 right.
China Eastern 2049, Taipei approach, the rank, descend and maintain 4000.
Maintain 4000, back to Frank, China Eastern 2049.
Maintain 6000.
跟着维克没有市场，发就试试。Maintain 260.
Manila 151, reduce speed 220.
Yes, 220, Manila 151.
Phantom 4097, descend maintain flight level 130.
现在的maintain flight level 130，向东4097。
118, direct octane, no speed restriction, Taipei QNH 1001.
Direct octane, no speed restriction 1001, 118.
Manila 151, Taipei QNH 1001.
1001, Manila 151.
7, Taipei approach, runway 23 right, information pass.
123 right, information pass, 8.
Cossack 565 Delta, due traffic weather deviation only approved to the east side, so heading 180.
118, direct Robin.
Robin 118.
Standard pitching 12771, contact Taipei Control 127.9.
127.9, 127.1, please.
Phantom 4097, reduce speed 220 knots, then descend maintain 90,000, Taipei QNH 1001.
快慢线关注180 Cathay 565.
Core 124, descend maintain 9000, QNH. Correction, Core 124, reduce speed to 230 knots, then descend maintain 9000, QNH 1001.
Okay, 230 knots, descend maintain 90,000, Core 124.
Smart K 302, descend maintain flight level 140.
Descend 140, Smart K 302. 5 向东4097. Taipei approach, Japan Air 997 10,000.
Japan Air 997, Taipei approach, roger, reduce speed 230 knots, Taipei QNH 1001, Dongsan information uniform.
Japan Air 997, information uniform, compound runway 2. Wait.
Japan Air 97, affirm.
Japan Air 997, speed 230.
4000, clear runway 23 right approach.
Cross got about 4,000, clear for Alice runway 23 right approach, Manila 151.
Descend maintain 1000, Taipei QNH 10, information Quebec.
Descend 1000, cancel the bridge at intersection, runway 23 right,
QNH 100. QNH 132, Diva 619.
Diva 619, QNH 1001.
1001, Diva 619.
Shandong 4097, contact Taipei approach 125.6.
125, 126, good day, 74097.
Holding point 8534, climb maintain flight level 190, no speed restriction.
Flight level 190, speed restrictions for 9534.
Japan Air 907, descend and maintain 8000.
Japan Air 8,000. 3023, descend 4,000.
China 3023 affirm, descend maintain 4000 to your Frank, clear runway 23 right approach.
Descend maintain 4,000, clear 23 right, China 3023.
Diva 619, flight heading 280 for spacing, reduce between 0 knots.
Offering 280, speed 230 knots, Diva 619.
Taipei approach, good morning, Dynasty 159, passing flight level 166 for flight level 140 by direct speed 250, information Oscar.
Taipei 159, heavy Taipei approach, roger, runway 23 right, cancel direct altitude restriction, descend maintain flight level 130.
Runway 23 right, cancel direct restriction, descend maintain flight level 130, Dynasty 159.
Diva 619, descend maintain 9000.
Descend maintain 9000, Diva 619.
Maintain speed until 10 miles final, contact tower 1.7.
Dynasty, contact tower 128.3, Jasa 3023.
118.7.
118.7, Jasa 3023.
Japan Air 802, heavy Taipei approach, radar contact, climb 5000.
Climb 5000.
Approach good, 141,
Korea 124, Taipei approach, descend maintain 7000.
descend maintain 7,000, full range 12.
For continue present heading vector to final approach course, descend and maintain 4000.
Continue present heading and just continue descend 4,000, full range 124.
534.
Japan Air 907, contact approach 119.7.
197, Japan Air 907.
Diva 619, contact Taipei approach 125.6.
156, Diva 619.
Japan Air 802, no speed restriction, climb maintain 7000.
No speed restriction, climb 7,000.
9159 for spacing, hold northeast of Sepia as published. Expect for the current time, 50.
Hold northeast Sepia is published. For the current time 50, Dynasty 159.
9159 reduced to minimum clean speed.
Minimum speed, Dynasty 159. Check.
7000, Diva 619.
to Ruifang and cross between 400 across Ruifang about 4,000. There's LDA 2 approach, Boston 066.
1055, Eva 138.
Taipei approach, good morning, Eva 1, maintaining flight 150.
Eva 113, Taipei approach, runway 23 right, reduced to minimum clean speed.
123 right, minimum speed, Eva 13.
Japan Air 907, reduce speed to 200 knots.
Use 200 knots, Japan Air 907.
Vanilla 151, maintain speed until Frank.
Maintain until Frank, Vanilla 151.
错，深圳 9-035, flight level 10.
Japan Air 9075, Taipei approach, runway 23 right, information Quebec. Continue descent flight level 140.
Continue descent flight level 140, Baker 1 Bravo, 23 right,深圳 9-035.
Visual 2, contact Taipei approach 125.6.
56, marketing 033. Good morning, Taipei first, marketing 02, 9000.
Flying please, contact Taipei approach 125.6.
Report 156, and 056.
to the lift heading 110, descend to speed dragon 482.
Taipei approach Dynasty 056, Navi, maintain 10,000, will enter 14 agent.
Dynasty 056, heavy Taipei approach, descend and maintain 8,000.
Descend maintain 8,000, Dynasty 056.
Market 15, establish runway 05 left.
1K215, connect tower 11.7, good day.
For 87, market 15, good day.
Cathay 565 heading 130 is good for an intercept.
Cathay 565 for sequencing, can you right turn heading 180?
Taipei approach, minute 295, you can left turn to end off.
Minute 295, end off.
Cathay to end off, minute 295.